Time to unbox what I actually ordered from My Theresa and from Best Secret. The first thing I'm going to show you is Best Secret, and if you remember in this video I was talking about coats and doing decluttering, and then realized that I'm not going to do any decluttering whatsoever because I'm still wearing all of the coats that I own. And while I was wearing this gray coat, I realized that I really like the cut and I really do want it in another color, so I got it in camel. So this is Lauren's gray wool coat. It's a combination of materials, it's not just wool, and this I have in size 36 because it is quite big, and I don't usually wear a lot of chunky sweaters underneath coats. Usually I have chunky sweaters underneath leather jackets, so I want the coat to be more fitted than oversized. And also because I'm not that tall, I don't like oversized coats because they swallow me, and then the coat is actually wearing me, not the other way around like it's supposed to be. I love this cut so much and I love the color. The fun thing is that this is almost the same color as my beige Reese coat, but because it's such a different style, it doesn't matter that I have two coats in practically the same color. I really love this coat, and you know, if you are on the hunt for reasonably priced, good material camel coats, Lauren's Gray, go check it out. So the first unboxing done, now let's dig in what's in this lovely yellow box behind me. I don't think anyone's surprised, right? If this is your first time to my channel, I have stated multiple times before that I have a Jean Vito Rossi addiction, and I'm proving again and again that that's absolutely true. I see a Jean Vito Rossi pair of shoes and I just can't help it. I have to have them. They're like, I think I will open a museum when I'm old and I can't walk in heels anymore. I think I'm gonna have like a Jean Vito Rossi museum, because I definitely have enough pieces to fill a museum for sure. This is actually a summer item, it's not winter. But because this is another pair that I have been looking for quite a long time, and they were always out of my size, which is surprisingly weird because normally size 36 it's readily available, but not in this pair. So if you are ready, let's look what I actually got. So we have a dust bag as usual with designer shoes. Let's see. Gonna just move this out of the frame. So these are plexi, PVC, however you want to call it, sandals, and this is a bit stretchy and it's just perfection like all the Jean Vito Rossi pairs. How is this not perfection? Tell me. Oh, these shoes are so, they're just wow. The size of the heel is 10 centimeters or 105, slightly higher than 10. And these are so funky. I have a lot of orangey yellow tones that I want to pair this with. I also plan to wear it with all white or maybe even all black, but I'm not sure for the black. I think the contrast might be for summer a bit too much, but I'll see. I'll show you some of the outfits and how I wear them closer to the summer in one of the next videos. But for today, I just wanted to show you this amazing pair, and I think they are just a piece of art. And you know, thank you Jean Vito Rossi for creating such beautiful shoes that my bank account is really not grateful to you. These shoes actually come in different colors. You can have them from white to, I think, black as well, but I always wanted like really bright color for this thing because it is kind of like plasticky material on top, and I don't want black or white because that combination I don't like. But like purple, orange, green, any kind of bright color I want it, and I'm really glad that I managed to get my hands on orange ones. The official name of these shoes is Metropolis and the color is Glass Mango. This thing is a bit transparent. If you can see, it's not a full color. You can actually see a bit through, and you can have this more or less transparent. So I'm not sure if this is different transparent levels in every color, but I've noticed some with, I think it was white. They were like completely transparent and then just a little bit of milky white. So this is the different combinations of which versions you can have, but the name of the shoe, the style is Metropolis. All right guys, have fun. We are done with this Vlogmas and we are almost done with the whole Vlogmas. I am trying to keep up. The way how this is piled up now is that I am filming after work and then editing and then publishing. So I really did not plan this through properly, so hopefully next year I'll do better. But we still have pretty cool videos to come up. Tomorrow we're going to talk about some hangover cures that I use because, you know, December is definitely crazy party time, and some advice for home remedies is always useful, of course. And then definitely we will have multiple videos on the Vienna Designer outlet, what I found there, what I was looking for, what they have in stock. We're going to have Gucci, Versace, Burberry, Valentino, and all the brands that I will be able to film, of course. So definitely you don't want to miss that. Have a fun day, and I will see you tomorrow.